Drift Pricing explained what you get for your money. Drift is a conversational marketing and sales platform, but understanding its pricing is crucial before diving in. Let's break it down. Drift offers multiple plans. The standard plan starts at per month per seat and includes chat, email, and basic playbooks to engage website visitors. This is perfect for small businesses looking to convert visitors without hiring a full sales team. The Pro plan starts at per month per seat and adds advanced automation, AI-powered chatbots, meeting scheduling, and custom integrations. Most people get this wrong. They think Drift is just a chat tool. The surprising truth is that it combines sales and marketing workflows into a single platform, turning leads into revenue faster. Drift also offers custom pricing for the enterprise plan, which includes account-based marketing features, advanced analytics, and unlimited seats. You won't believe how much control you gain over the entire customer journey when scaling teams and targeting high-value prospects. Additional costs can apply for premium features like chatbots or custom integrations, so it's important to evaluate which tools your business will actively use. When implemented strategically, Drift can reduce lead response times, automate follow-ups, and increase conversion rates. In conclusion, Drift pricing is flexible and scales with business size and sophistication. The key is matching your plan to your sales and marketing goals. When used effectively, Drift not only streamlines conversations, but also turns your website into a proactive sales engine.